Alright, so Drox, this joint is not fastened yet. It's just, they're just slid together. So let's loosen it and slide it that way, just like this. I'm just going to loosen it, okay? And we don't want all this to fall apart, so let's very gently slide this over. Okay, so I'd like to hold it about right there. And see, that make this and this and this should be equal. So about like that. Okay, let's slide it out.
Then we put that temperature
Okay,
gauge on.
now you hold it. So what we'll do is we'll kind of hold it here, you hold it here. Good job. Okay, let me sand it just a little bit. Will you hold this for a second? And that. Go ahead. Look and see if there's see the upside down, upside up. I think we can rotate that afterwards, so I think we'll be fine. Go ahead and push it on. But we should loosen the screw before we turn it, so we don't break it. You hold it. Okay, lean it out a little bit.
Push it.
You like it? Hey, let's hold this like this, and I'll tighten it up. Okay, let's do another one down here the same way.
I'll go right in.
Yeah, all right. Just go ahead and push that in. I'll come your way.
Now time to tighten.
Here, let me just do a little bump with this. I'm going to cut this. Well, I'm going to put these back on.
Yeah.
Okay, you see these? You see how they hook? This is the bottom. That hooks in there, kind of like those band clamps up on the. Kind of like these clamps. It hooks in here like that. You see that? You want to lay that in place where it goes? You want to lay it over here where I can put the screws in it too. And so look, when we're done, it looks like this. Can you get that pipe cutter? Where is it?
Pipe cutter is right here. It's almost there.
There it goes. So Drox, that's 3 inches. So we need to build something to attach it to. So you want to measure from here to the center and to the center of that. Put your tape against here and to the center. And if you come to the back, you can see it right through the hole. This hand's in the way. Push it against there. So it's 2.5 inches and it's 8 3/4 inches. You see that? Okay. 2.5 right there, and then 8 3/4 right there. 2.5 and 8 3/4. Okay, and that's the center.
16 inches.
Yep. Good job. And then 16 times 2 is what?
30.
Good job. Yeah. All right. I'll cut the 32 first. We'll go to your measurement.
And we go to the top and strike that.
And what's that called?
What?
What is this called?
Plum.
Good. Are you ready? Okay. So see these lines now can go right in the center of those holes. You see that?
So right there.
Right there. Go ahead. Good job. Okay. Bottom one. Here, hold on. Do the top. Do this top first. Let's get both of these tops in. Hold on. Let me get it centered. I like it. Right there. Okay.
This goes right.
Yep. Good job, boy. Really. Here you go. You put one in, and I'll put one in. Okay. Now, take. Yeah, you can use the magnet side and do that if you want.
And
Here, I'll get you a screw.
they're right there.
Bolt, not a screw, a bolt. Here you go.
A bolt of thingy.
Hey, you do your own side. Where? Leave my side alone. You can tighten those up later. You can tighten those up later. You got the magnet here. You can go up under. Yeah. And then let's bolt those together
Bolt them out.
loosely, just finger tight. Okay, go ahead.
Done.
So we slide this in here, and you see how everything lines up just perfectly. Yeah. So what you need to do is put. Wow, you're way ahead of me. Okay, go. Don't let me stop you. That's good for now, and then this one here, just snug it up a little bit. Okay, we'll take the supply manifold. Okay, we gotta come back. What is that measurement?
That is on this one.
Yeah, what is it?
7, almost on to the 8.
Yeah. So it's about 7 5/8. So we want to go about 7 3/8 on these pieces.
Almost done. Maybe not almost. Done.
Can I have a bolt? You want to put another one right here? Just like this.
How's that? Big bolt.
Okay. What are you doing? Where's this piece? All right, start again. Okay, we'll slide that on. Here, work on this. Here, let's work on this one together. Go ahead and do. Do you have a washer on there? Where's my washer, buddy?
Right here.
Now it is. Okay, then snug this one up. And then I'll snug this back one up. Roll it down a little bit. You see when I tighten it how it comes up on the front? Yeah. It looks pretty good. So there's a little gap here. You see that gap? Let's loosen this and I'll slide this forward. Go ahead. Go ahead. Loosen it. Yep, loosen it. And I'll see if there's some room to slide this. Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey.
You keep going righty.
No.
Alright, hold on. Right there. Now tighten that up.
Now I can go righty.
Is that snug? Yeah, that looks good. Did you tighten this one up back here? A little bit? That looks good, Drox. So we just built the supply and return manifolds right here to both of the bottom pump and the bottom flow indicator. And in this drawing, the flow indicator's on the bottom and the pump's on the top. You got your supply on top and your return on the bottom. But you see how I switched them here? I got the return on the top, supply on the bottom. You know why I did that?
No.
Just to confuse you? No, I just liked the way it looked better, so I swapped them from here. I just turned them. I didn't do it to confuse you. I'm just kidding. All right, so these two pumps, this pump and this flow indicator, supply and return, is this top one. You see how it comes across and goes straight down to the ground. So these turn and come straight down. And so that's what we're going to do. But see, if this comes straight down, it'll hit right on top of here. And if this one comes straight down, it'll hit on top of here. So we can't do that. So what I'm going to do is turn them and bring them back, and we'll take them down the back wall. Okay?
Okay.
You think we can do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
Where'd it go?
Well, there's another screw right there.
That's where it went.
It's a big gun for this little guy. This little skinny noodle arms you got going on there. All right, guys. Good job. Okay. It's not too bad. Get this here a little bit. We're going to do something different with this other end. So, can you get one of those copper clamps?
Copper coil. I bumped it. Like that.
A little bit more. A little more. A little more. Let's go down from the top. We'll hook it on the bottom. And then, look. What length do I need to cut the pipe? Can you tell me?
82 and a half.
It's not 82, it's 28.
Oh.
28, probably 28 and 5/8. So. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. got it? Okay. You're good?
Yeah.
Looks good to me. Okay. Which of these is supply and which of these is return?
This one's supply, this one's return.
Yeah,
No,
that's on this manifold. Of these two, which is supply and which is return?
supply.
Okay, you got it. See this mixing valve? We have another mixing valve that goes right here. Okay, so let's put this other mixing valve in. It's what you see right here.
Okay.
Yeah? No? So you excited for your brother's birthday party?
Yeah.
Are ya?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And then next week, it's Emmy's birthday, right?
Mm-hmm.
How old is Emmy?
Emmy is gonna turn 6.
6. Well, I hope you guys have a good birthday.
After Thanksgiving is me and Eli's friend's birthday.
Wow. Lots of birthdays. You want to get a hold of this piece of pipe
I got my foot
so
on
it
it.
doesn't clatter to the floor? Okay. That's the wrong end.
No.
Okay, back. Let's take this piece, maybe we can use it. And then this piece. Nope. Dropping things all over the place, aren't we? Okay, look, Drox, I'm going to come down here, line up, and cut this right here.
Cut, 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 cut. Okay. Big.
We don't need to use the baby cutter.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright.
There's the big cutter.
Well, this one will work just fine.
It works just fine.
It is just fine.
I just like doing it in tiny pieces. And big.
Right. Now, see what we're doing here? Now, we can measure right here and come back to our T. So this T is going to fit just like that.
Just like that.
4 1/4.
4 1/4 inch pipe.
Yeah, about 4 1/4. So do you know?
Yeah, like what?
Huh? Oh, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it when an elephant sits on your fence?
For nuts.
It's time to get a new fence. There you go. You may not be able to reach this top one, but you can reach the bottom one. I like it. Good. Okay. So, snap here.
I think I can reach the top. I can't get it in. There.
Good job.
Got in here.
You think so? Let's see. do we think of that? And then we'll put this.
Right in there, and then we get.
It's right there.
Then
You give it a little bump. You gave me the wrong bit. What's the matter with you?
That's why I was holding it.
Drox. What am I gonna do with you?
Ching.
Yeah, I've got to fit.
The check valve right here.
Yeah, the check valve has to be before this. So we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to take this back.
Or we just take off the street knife.
I'm gonna have to take, no, see this T? We'll take this way. And the check valve will be right here. Drox.
So this would be right
Yes.
there. And then
Yes. So this won't be a street 90. This will be a regular 90.
a regular 90. I'll go get
Yeah, go get a regular 90.
a big puzzle. At the.
Yes. Okay, now
I knew it didn't go here since I wouldn't fit.
now we're doing it.
Who has whose?
Let me. Come out here. Yeah.
This is gonna take a while. Copper.
Yeah. These pieces go together.
And then they go in like that. Like a snap.
Okay, and so we've got the arrow on the check valve going the right direction. Did you check?
What?
Are you checking my work?
Yep, it's going this way.
And then the temperature
Gauge
gauge
goes in right there
goes in right there.
and watches the temperature. Wait.
Yeah. Don't turn those until we loosen the screw though. Alright, we still have to put a screw in here. This is not clamped together here yet. We'll need to do that. I think I am going to put it this way. You got enough for me? Okay, let's see. It should set about right there. Okay, tighten this up right here.
Okay. There.
Good. Good. Let me check it. About 16 inches. Let's set this one up. Okay, good. You get that level. Watch out. Yeah, that's what I thought. That needs to come up a little bit. Let me see this.
Right there.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. We want these. I got some extra long bolts here for these.
Okay. It'll be a lot more easier.
It will be easier. Wait, I got the wrong channel.
Got that foot in the yeah, that foot.
Turn them upside down. I think it'll be easier for us.
Then how is it gonna reach into this?
It will. These are. I got long enough bolts here. It will reach.
This is getting
They'll reach. Okay. No, that one's good. Tighten that one a little bit. Okay. All right. All right. That sits in there pretty nice. I like it. Okay. Why don't you get the PEX expander out? Have you used that yet?
No.
No? It's over here in this case. Have you ever used this before?
No.
No? You're gonna like this tool. You wanna try it?
Kind of like scissors.
Cut it about right. Let's see. Yeah, about right there. Good job. All right. Now, see these? They have a little shoulder right there. Feel it. And then feel the other side. So which side goes on here?
The shoulder.
Try it.
Nope.
Push it on. You see it stops with the shoulder. Then you put one on this side, like that. Okay, and that's our coupler. That's what we're going to use. We're going to put this on here. Okay, the way you do it, you put this in here and you go, and it spreads it. Just like that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? You want to try it? Okay, I want to put this in here. You have to take that and put it in there. You want to try it?
Just put this.
You put it in there and start pushing that trigger. Keep going. Keep going. Pull it out. Just like that. Pretty cool,
Kind
huh?
of like the opposite of the curl press.
Bring this down. Can you take it in behind? Keep going. Keep going.
There.
Okay. Let's connect this to here. But before we do, we're going to put one of these guys on it. Okay? Show you how this works. Like that. I'm going to pull a little extra through. And then you bend it.
And it keeps it there.
You see that? It makes it into a nice corner. So pull it back. And we're going to want it about right here. Okay.
Back it out.
No. Keep going. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. You can stop. It looks good. Good job. You think we can get it through here? We don't want to kink it. That would be bad. Okay, so let's try this. You bend it. Can you pull down on it? You pull down. More. More. Almost slipped. Okay. How did we do?
That's gonna be hard.
It is. It's going to be difficult.
Not kink it.
You don't let off of the trigger. It's not like a screw gun. Pull it out. Good job.
Got that T in there. We got 4 more rings left. There's must be more tigers. Metal. Metal fitting.
Yeah.
I'll take out that screw right there.
No. Leave. I want to leave that one in place. I want to switch to this one because I think it'll hold the radius.
Now we clip that. Get the pink shoes.
A little bit further. You got one of the rings for me?
I gave you one earlier.
Oh, you did. Okay. And I have it in my pocket.
Now.
You got to reach over the top. Okay, go. Take it out. Good job of keeping that gun running. You're getting it.
I don't think this adjustable rack is going to fit in here.
Why not?
It won't fit.
Well, too. Not today. Okay, you see that?
I can lift this up with 2 fingers.
What do you think of that? Don't drop it. Take it 2 hands. Carry it up that ladder. Just set it right here. If I did it right, it should sit there.
Yep.
What do you think? You like it? Okay. I'm gonna tear this tag off a little bit.
Tear the tag off, tag.
What do you think of that? Let's try it one more time. And then I'll do something different if this doesn't work. Keep it in there. Keep expanding. Good. That was a tough one. Here you go. What do you think?
Good.
It looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay, you come over here. And I'll run this and you can push the trigger.
Right here.
You go. And then... Hold on, no, wait. Okay. I think we're ready.
Yep, we are.
Go!
That's the first time.
This one's done, this little one, isn't it? We did that already.
Another pointy.
Okay, and I'm going to do the mixing valve here. Oh, can you get the pliers and cut that retaining wire off?
Yep.
Just one wire at a time. One wire at a time. There you go. Okay, go.
Three in a row.
Go. Okay, go. You got your pencil? You got your tape? I like that. All right, well, let's get the boiler stand here.
Big boiler stand.
And I would like this to be about I think about 6 inches off the wall. Yep. It's gonna set just about right there. Okay. That'll do it. Let's pull this off. Let's just, and just that too.
Boiler.
Yeah.
The big tube. Where does the tube end?
Okay, let's turn it around. Think we can lift it up there?
I don't know.
All right, let's try. We'll lean it forward. You take that foam off there. Okay. We'll just set it in this.
Now we just need to set another outlet. Right?
No, we don't want to plug it in. Not yet. All right. Come here. I want to show you something. Do you remember we've been talking about supply and return? And supply is
Hot.
yeah, and return is cold. So you can tell which one is supply and which is return, right?
This one's.
Mm-hmm.
This one's return. This one's.
And so up here high, this is the supply. So this has to be connected to here, and this down here is our return. You see this one? It has to be connected to here.
Okay.
Think we can do that? So that's what I'd like to do next. I'd like to connect the supply and return to the boiler. So go ahead and put this on. And don't drop it. Use two hands. You don't want to bend that fitting. And I'll do the top one. Okay. What's Stella barking at? Okay, let's put this bottom return on. Go ahead and push that back, push that up. Okay. And tighten that union. Just with your hand, yeah. See these unions, what's nice about them is you don't put any thread sealant in there, any Blue Magic, and they seal. They seal. But you can take them apart whenever you want to and take your boiler apart. Yep. And then this is your boiler shut off for the return, and then you can drain your boiler here. You can put a garden hose on this, or you can just put a bucket under it and drain it into a bucket. So let's do the supply connection up here on top, okay?
This connection.
Yep. So you take the bottom and the union, slide this on the top. Okay.